Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to Count Basie and Joe Williams. We are going to react to their song Alright, Okay, You Win.
Happy New Year to all our viewers
Yes.
and subscribers. Hope you're having a great time. Wish you a peaceful, safe, wonderful and amazing 2022 from all of us on Inoma. And yeah, I mean, it's hope all your resolutions that you make, you can stick to them beyond January 20th. We're going to listen to Count Basie and Joe Williams, requested by
CJ.
CJ. Let's get started with our first time single take honest reaction.
Well, alright, okay, you win. I'm in love with you. Well, alright, okay, you win. Baby, what can I do? I'll do anything you say. It's just got to be that way. Well, alright, okay, you win. I'm in love with you. Well, alright, okay, you win. Baby, what can I do? Anything you say I'll do, as long as it's me and you. But the first thing in the morning, you got to wake me with a kiss. You got to make up for all the loving you have made me miss. All right, well, okay, you win. I'm in love with you. Well, all right, well, okay, you win. Baby, what can I do? Anything you do, I'll say. It's just got to be that way. All I want from you, just love me like I love you, and it won't be hard to do. Well, all right, well, okay, you win. What are you waiting for? Well, all right, okay, you win. Baby, one thing more, if I'm gonna be your man, pretty baby, let me take your hand. Well, all right, okay, you win. Well, all right, okay, girl, you win. Since I'm gonna be your man, baby, let me take your hand. All right, okay, you win.
Haha.
Wow. Beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, although the lines are quite repetitive,
Yeah.
it is sung so
Alright,
well,
okay.
beautifully, and nice music. Wow, wonderful music. Backing them up, the vocalist here, and both of them, Count Basie and Joe Williams. I don't know the context of why the Count and Duke and all are added to these musicians' names, these jazz or contemporary musicians. I have no idea about that, but it sounded good here. It sounded good. The music was fabulous. The horn family, trumpet family
Brass
instruments
band. Yeah.
just make music sound so much better. You know, vocalists sound so much better too. So he was an ordinary vocalist with a deep voice, but with that music backing him up, oh, he just sounded amazing.
That is true. That is true.
I don't know if it was Joe Williams or Count Basie singing, but it was just made so much better to listen to because of the music in the background, the trumpets mainly.
I think most people love trumpets and horns. There is something about them. There is something happy about them. There is something deep about them. There is something, as if you are connecting with nature directly, or musical nature of music directly when horns play, when trumpets play. It's just natural for it to come and connect with people. If somebody is a bad guitar player, it won't happen. If somebody is a bad violinist, it won't happen. If somebody is a bad pianist, it won't happen. But with horns, it generally happens that you like almost everything. Maybe it also resembles a lot of trumpets and sounds of animals too. You know how it goes. So maybe it's got more of the natural vibe in it than other instruments actually get it. And you really have to be good at those instruments to connect with people. But these instruments just do it naturally. I like it. It was fun to listen to. It was entertaining at the same time. Okay, all right, you win. And he wants whatever he's saying. It's not too much for him to ask all of that. He was asking bare minimum things for a relationship.
Yeah,
and
like
he's
a kiss
expecting.
first thing in the morning when he wakes
You
up.
must make up for all the things that
Few
you are demanding.
basic conditions, and he's okay with
Doing whatever you
whatever's
want.
happening.
Yeah.
Whatever's going on, you win. It's all right. It's okay. You win.
Yeah.
I'm okay with anything that you do, anything that you say, as long as you're with me. Simple.
That's right.
And that's a wonderful New Year resolution to make for all the couples out there, especially in countries where breakups happen
Yeah.
in
At a rapid
one out
rate.
of two relationships, so long-term relationships, that is. So one of the best resolutions you could possibly make is to spend more quality time with each other and let the other person win for a change. Doesn't matter so much at the end of the day, does it? Especially if you end up being lonely and depressed. What's the point of it all? What's the point of it all?
Selfishness has been taken to a new height, literally, in the West, and everything has to be, always looked at from that point of view. At times, that kind of selfishness does not really work for yourself as well. So I don't understand what the use of that selfishness is, basically. People advocate it, I understand that and I support it too, but at the same time you have to realize that selfishness, just for the sake of doing it because other people are propagating it or they are advocating it so well, is it working out for you? Sometimes people don't even realize it didn't work for me. And they just got fooled by the whole program of it. So you must also analyze when you're trying to, put the focus on you. Is it actually helping you, working with you, or it didn't work and you happen to shoot in the foot for yourself? So yeah, all right, okay. Sometimes let the person win.
Yeah, on that note, Happy New Year once again to all our viewers and subscribers.
Yes.
Wish you a safe, peaceful, and amazing 2022.